Hello there, Craven here. I'm going to show you how to hopefully improve your productivity using windows, manipulating them by being able to flip them to one side of the screen or the other side of the screen using a shortcut key, which a lot of people don't actually seem to use, and it's pretty useful. So, for example, now I've got two different windows open over here. I've got a web page there, and I've got a search engine there. So, what I can do, if I want to have that on the left side of the screen, I hold down my Windows logo key, the Windows command key. If you check on the keyboard there, you see I'm pressing it. And then I press the left button and boom, it's perfectly aligned on the left half of the screen. It's very handy this for people with wide monitors. Release, and I can click on that one over there. And now I'm on the right side of the screen, perfectly split down the middle. There's other keys as well you can use. You can click on a window, hold down the Windows command or logo key again, press the down arrow, and it'll first go to the bottom and then down again. Now it's minimized to the taskbar at the bottom. And if I keep holding it, I can press the up arrow and you'll see it'll go back there, and then up again, it'll go to that, and then one more, it'll go straight up. So we'll manipulate things by pressing the left side, right side, just holding down the command key on the left here, and the window can jump around. If I press down, it goes there first, down again, it's minimized, up again, it's there, up again, it's there, and then up again, it's to the top part of the screen, and now it's full screen, maximized. All right. A lot of people, funny enough, don't know how these little things over here work at the top. Believe it or not, there are some people that just basically get a computer and I've seen them open up multiple windows at a time. So that's your maximize, obviously. That's your restore to default position. And so I'm using that is now highlighted, and I press the window command key and I press the left button, and it's on the left side of the screen. All right. So left arrow and right arrow can be used for minimizing, maximizing if you use it up and down, and the left and right with the command key can flip it to the left side of the screen or the right side of the screen. Now there's another thing that's very useful. I don't really find this particularly useful for the fact that I have two screens. I've got more than enough real estate to actually put things on, and occasionally I even have three screens. So but there is another feature which is very handy to organize your work. So, for example, you're browsing social media on this particular screen at the moment, and you think, you know what, I'd like to open up some work, but I need more, I want a separate environment to actually work in. So Windows 10 has got a thing called Virtual Desktop. So you click that task view button at the bottom here, and you can click New Desktop, and you'll see I've now got a desktop too, and I click on that. And there I am in a completely clean workspace, and I can click on the task view and I can go back to my original one over there on the left. And this is completely separate instances of work areas, so to speak. You can copy and paste between the two, no problem at all. But say, for example, I want to open up Word over here, and Excel and Word. I can click on one of those, use my Windows command key, go to the right, and click on that one that's on the left. Now I can work inside here and do whatever. And as you can see, I'm working there. Now I want to go back to my original thing where I'm busy browsing social media. I can press the task view, and I can go over there, and I'm right back there again. Now, there's a quicker way of doing this as well. You can simply hold down the window key, the control key, and the right arrow, and I'm in desktop number 2. And you can keep holding down the window key, the control key, and the left arrow, and you go back there as well. And if you want to make a new desktop, instead of going this way, by clicking there, and then new desktop, all right, instead of doing that, you can simply do the following. You can press the window logo key, command key, with the control key, and just press D, and there you are in a brand new desktop. Now I've made up to 300 of these things at once. It doesn't seem to be a limit on how many you can make. There probably is, but I think most people probably don't need that many. But it's quite handy for switching, because you just hold down the Windows command key with control, left, and you're on desktop number 2, left again, you're on desktop number 1. It's just a really great way of organizing your windows, and for different things. I know a lot of people actually leave their computers on all the time. I generally start mine once a day, but it's quite a handy way of keeping your windows in a container for particular tasks that you're using. So there you go. If you want to open up a web browser, you can shift it between screens by holding, or between areas of your screen by holding down the Windows Command or logo key, and you press the right arrow to make it jump to the right, left arrow to make it jump to the left. Right, and you press the up arrow to maximize it, minimize it by pressing the down arrow, up arrow twice to maximize it. And right, now that's currently on my left screen at the moment. Now it's on the right screen again. And if I want to jump between virtual desktops, I hold down the Windows Command key, the Control key, and left. And there I've got my documents open, and I can press it again, press left again, and there I am back on the desktop number 1. Right brings me to desktop number 2. Right brings me desktop number 3. Very handy thing you can do as well. You can go to the task view over here and click on desktop 2, for example, task key, and you'll see the things that are open on that particular window. So if I want to put Excel inside there, I can just simply drag it in there, click and hold. So you click on that, you hold the mouse button, left mouse button, you drop it over there, and that Excel is now open inside there. And once again, I can hold down the Windows Command key, right, and there we go. It's a really, really great way of controlling your screen and getting it looking a tiny bit in order very, very rapidly. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. And that is all for now. Till next time.